Did you know that brain-related diseases are reaching epidemic levels throughout the world? According to the Alzheimer's Association, deaths from the disease have skyrocketed by 123%. Today, it is the 6th leading cause of death in the United States. Additionally, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention report that brain-related diseases will reach 13.9 million by 2060. Think you're safe because you're young? Think again. Studies show that it doesn't matter how young or old you are. Dementia symptoms are appearing in a growing number of the younger population, and many are being diagnosed with early onset Alzheimer's. In fact, you may already be noticing a scary decline in your mental sharpness. And while it's normal to occasionally misplace your car keys or forget the name of an acquaintance, it is not normal to experience frequent memory problems, brain fog, impaired cognitive function, or inability to focus and concentrate. Lack of mental sharpness and clarity can adversely affect all aspects of your life. But here's the great news. There are easy steps that you can take to ensure your mind remains sharp and gain protection from brain-related diseases. Our team of experts dove deep into the latest clinical studies on brain health. Then we compiled the most effective and scientifically proven all-natural solutions that promote optimal brain health into one incredible system. It's called the 14-Day Brain Health Quick Start Program, and it works to keep your brain healthy and functioning optimally. This science-based system contains the most powerful all-natural strategies that have been proven to improve brain function and ward off brain illnesses. And once you start incorporating these strategies, you won't have to wait months or even weeks to start noticing improvements. You can experience a sharper and clearer mind within days. The 14-Day Brain Health Quick Start Program includes the following: our research-based ebook, Brain Health Essentials: How to Protect Yourself from Alzheimer's and Dementia. In it, you'll learn about the latest research into the causes and prevention of brain-related diseases and receive proven science-based recommendations to keep your brain strong and healthy. You will also receive our brain-enhancing cookbook, Cooking for Brain Health: 25 delicious recipes to eliminate brain fog and sharpen your mind. With these professionally crafted recipes, you'll be able to enjoy delicious meals while improving your memory, focus, and concentration. Each of the tasty recipes are beautifully illustrated with simple step-by-step instructions, making them easy to prepare. You'll also receive our Cooking for Brain Health meal plan and shopping list to ensure meal planning is as convenient as possible. Did you know that a sedentary lifestyle greatly increases your risk for brain-related issues? Well, we've made it easy for you to incorporate brain-boosting exercises into even the busiest schedule. So you'll also receive our guided workout system, 10 Easy Movements to Boost Brain Function. Designed by renowned health and fitness expert Rick Selge, these 10 simple movements, when done regularly, will help to improve your overall brain function and health. Are you ready to say yes to a healthy, high-functioning brain? Simply click on the link below to receive instant access to this groundbreaking program now.